Imagine your business never misses a single phone call again. No voicemail, no hold music, no customers left hanging. Today I'm going to build an AI that answers a real phone number. It picks up, it talks like a person, and it answers your customers' questions instantly. No code, and it takes about 5 minutes. And to prove that it is real, once it is built, I'm going to call it live, and you're going to hear it answer. So let's build. Now I already have my PayMeGPT account hooked up to my Claude via MCP. Now I have a video for this linked up above. Now the first thing I'm going to do is drop in the prompt that I've prepared for us. And this is what's going to build out the agent. Build a PayMeGPT voice phone agent for a dental clinic called Coral Coast Dental. Name the agent Maria. She only answers common questions, she does not book anyone in and does not take bookings. This is something that is easy for you to get your foot into the door, something that will blow them away, and something that will also build trust. This is one of the easiest ways to start working with a business that wants to implement AI but does not know how to. Two things you can offer: a normal AI chatbot agent and a voice agent. So you've got two capabilities. Now, what she needs to know, this is where you give all of the business information. Voice and style, voice on, warm, friendly and short, phone greeting. Thanks for calling Coral Coast Dental. This is Maria. How can I help you today? Start the questions, opening hours, service, location. So we'll send this off. And now PayMeGPT is connected to Claude via MCP. So it's now going to look for the different tools. It's now asking me to allow, which I will. And it's now creating the widget. A couple of years ago, we were building out AI chatbot systems with flows and a ton of different nodes. This is how easy it is to build in 2026. So as you can see, it says, "Done bro, Maria's live." Here's what she got: voice and greeting, knows the essentials, boundary locked in, starter chips, opening hours, service location, so on and so forth. Try it here. So it's created the agent. Now, let me refresh. And let's actually find the agent. AI agent, Coral Coast Dental, Maria. Let's click on edit. And the first thing I want to do is just head over to channels, go to phone calls, and ensure that I click a number. I'm going to choose this one right here. You're able to connect also your own Twilio numbers if you wish to do that. I'm going to choose OpenAI real time because it's fast and function calling is really good with this. Coral is a voice that I like by default. And you also have other things such as missed call AI takeover. So ring the business owner first, and if you don't pick up, your AI agent answers. And or we text call it back automatically. Keep a transfer menu. So we got a bunch of different informations and AI powered transfer. So for now, we'll just click save configuration. It is now saved. All we have to do is call the number. I'm going to call this number right now. Put it on loudspeaker. As you can see.
Thanks for calling Coral Coast Dental. This is Maria. How can I help you today?
Hey Maria, I hope you're doing amazing today. I just want to ask, what is your current location? I can't seem to find it.
Sure. We're on Queens Road in Sigatoka, Fiji. There's free parking behind the building. You're welcome to drop by anytime.
Amazing. Is Sunday okay?
We're actually closed on Sundays. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 to 5, and Saturday mornings.
Okay. And is walk-in okay? Can I just walk in?
Yes, walk-ins are welcome, especially in the mornings. That's the best time to drop by.
Amazing. Sorry, quick one. What is like the rough estimated cost for like a checkup and stuff?
A standard checkup and clean is $60.
That's awesome. I think you answered all of my questions. Is it okay if I walk in during the afternoon hours?
Afternoons do tend to be busy, but you can always try. Mornings are usually easier to get in quickly.
And that's it. A real AI phone assistant, built in about 5 minutes just by talking. Now it answers every call, day or night, and it never gets tired, it never misses a customer, and it costs a fraction of what you think it would. Now picture this on your cafe, your clinic, your shop, anywhere around the world, your clients' businesses. The phone rings at 9 p.m. and your customer still gets an answer. And this is the kind of thing I build with PayMeGPT. And if you want to see more, subscribe and stick around. My name is Asta. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for stopping by.